Happy Independence Day. And it's America's 247th anniversary. And to celebrate, there's a huge fireworks show tonight at 9 p.m. We hope that you can come to the show. Now, everyone, this is Paul Jerkins, signing out until after the show is over.
Oh boy. I'm so excited for the fireworks show right now. I better call all of my friends to go see that show, including the Huffingtons, Mr. Piazza and Grandma too.
Okay. Now that everything is said, let's wait for all of the people to come.
Right.
Ooh. We're the first ones here.
Can we watch your show?
Sure. You guys can.
We made it.
Oh hey, Max and Ruby. You and your friends, you all can be here.
Oh my whiskers. Thank you.
Did I hear a fireworks show? Ooh, this is gonna be great. We want to watch the show.
You're lucky to be here, Danimates Ludwig von Kepper, cause you can be here, along with Danimates Larry Kepper and Danimates Kepper as well.
Where are you guys?
Great.
We're also here as well.
Great.
A fireworks show? This show's gonna be great.
Okay.
We're here as well. Also, I'm inviting my twin bro to watch the fireworks show, along with the 3 others, but we're not seen.
Great, I'm ready to watch the fireworks show. This is gonna be cool.
Don't forget about me. Zig and Sharko would watch this as well.
Great.
Wait. I will watch this as well. My team members, including Baseball and Mark Piazza and Nickel, were also there to watch this, but the rest weren't seen.
Wait, my best friend, we would also want to watch this. Wait up. All fan-made worms like me would want to join in to watch this.
Wait. I want to be a part of this to watch the fireworks too. Also, the entire families of the Griffins and the Simpsons were here, but were not seen.
Wait. I want to join in too. Also, all of the rest of the fan and co-pilings are here, but they're not seen.
Fireworks, here I come.
Yeah, we want to watch the fireworks.
Okay. Is everyone here?
Oh my god. That's a lot of people. I think that's everyone. Okay guys, are you ready for the show?
Yeah!
Great. Here it comes.
Oh my goodness, look at all these fireworks.
Oh my gosh, these look cool.
Look. It's started.
Now, that was an amazing show.
That was awesome.
Oh my god, that was an amazing show. Now let's all go home. Thanks for the fireworks show.
You're welcome.
Good evening everyone. This Paul Jerkins here. And I must say that was a great show. I hope all of you had a good Independence Day. Now, everyone. This is Paul Jerkins, signing out. Happy Independence Day everyone.